Good evening, this is Ernest Moewa. Welcome to this session. So very quickly, I'm going to run you through the introduction to Pixellab. So I'm going to introduce you to this app that we are going to use and uh, at least make you familiar with some tools and some functions that we'll be working with. So you are welcome and thanks for joining me. Thank you so much. So very quickly, I'm going to show you some of the important tools and the functions that we can maybe talk about, and other functions I'll be showing you as we'll be doing other projects. So very quickly, I'm going to introduce you to this plus sign on top on your left. That plus sign is very important because it has got everything in there. If you can just know this tool at the corner there, then you can design anything. So first of all, you have the text. If you want to insert any text, you go on that one, on that first one. Current date. If you want to insert the current date. If you want to insert a sticker, you go there. There are stickers. Uh, I wanted to be showing you, but I'll be just mentioning them so that we just shorten the video. I don't want it to be too long. So if you want to insert shapes, you go on that function there. If you want to insert any photo or any image from your phone or from your gallery, then you click on that one. This one I'm going to show you because there is something important that I want to show you. So you open your gallery. So you can choose. You can go to any file where your photos are. Where your photos are. So I'm going to get my photo. I'm going to get my photo. So immediately I select my photo, it will bring this page. So on this page, you are going to choose on how the photo or the image will be imported to your Pixellab. So in this case, it will just go exactly the way it is. But if you want to change some of the things, maybe it appears like it's in the circle or anything, it's from this page, it's from this stage that you can change. So I'm just going to show you one thing, and that is if you want your image to appear in a circle form, you go on that small circle there, you click on it, it will bring an oval shape. That's where you are now going to adjust. You adjust to your desired shape or to your desired whatever. So from there you click OK. Then your image will be inserted. You can even turn it. You can even rotate it. Okay, so from there we have a draw tool there. A draw tool is just to draw, you see. Those are the functions that are there. And then we are done with the plus icon. Now we are going to the next tool there. This tool, we use it to save. It's either you save it as a project or so that you can come and continue working on it, or you save it as image. So you can save it as a project and as image. So as image, there are certain things that you can see there. If you want to share the same photo or the same pic, you can share it on social media or to your friend or anyone. And then there are formats on which you can save the image. There is JPG, no transparency. That is a photo or any design with the background. And then PNG is the photo with or without the background. Okay, so we are done on this one. And then there is that share icon, the third one. That share icon, it brings the same as the other one as you are saving, when you are saving the photo. And then we have quotation icon there. The quotation icon I'm not going to talk about much, because these are the quotations that are just there in the application. If you want to use them, if you want to make any quote, you can use them. There are many you can just choose. And then we have the last item there. This is where you can also, there are certain functions that are the same as the plus sign on the other side. So there is, if you want to work on the full screen, you can do that. If you want to use image from the camera, you can use that one. If you want to choose, you can just read from there, and then you'll be able to tell what functions you need, or what you want to work on. And then we have a layered icon down there. This one has got some functions. If you want to lock the image so that you can't move the image, you lock it from here. If you want your image not to be seen as you are working on certain things, you can do that. And then if you want to delete it, you can go there, or edit, or do anything, you can choose from there. And then if you want to merge, like you want to combine two things together, you come on the icon down here, then you go on this third one there. So now I haven't selected anything, so I choose, okay, I want these two to be combined, and then I come here, I confirm. So these two, my pick and my the introduction to Pixellab, they will become one. So like that. Okay. So I'll undo that. I'll undo that. Okay. So we have, I guess we have heard on that one. We have this one. I won't take much time on this one. This one just helps in alignment. If you want to put things in, if you want things to be aligned, you can use this one. Okay, like that, you are done. Then the other tools that I cannot mention. This is undo button, and then delete. You can see other things. So when you look at down there, there are icons as well. If you come here on those three triangles combined together, it will show you these background. So if you want to change any background, you can come here, or here. You want to change anything, any background that you want to work with, or you want to work on. And then there are projects there. So all the saved projects will be in that folder. Even this one, I used Pixellab to design that one. I used also Pixellab to design the poster that you saw, people posting and me posting, yeah, and other stuffs, yeah. Even the birthday posters, I use Pixellab sometimes. Okay, so we go to that icon there, a icon. So when you select a icon, it will show those two, but they interchange with this one. So it's either you get this one, these options from this icon down there. I don't know if it is a pentagon shape, or you get them on an A icon. So depending on how you are working on, like the way I've selected a birthday, it brings these options on an a icon. So from there you're going to have edit. If I want to edit that text, I'm going to use that one. Delete, copy. If I want to copy, it will bring to front. If I want this birthday here to come in front the way it is, I will use that icon there. And then the other two is to back. So if I want this birthday word to go back, to go to the back, to go at the back, then you go to back. Position. I know when you start working with all these icons, you know them. So I'll be using them in all the lessons. So I may not manage to explain everything. You see, I may not manage to explain everything, but I'll just end here, just to make sure that we don't waste much of the time, because I will be explaining certain things. So there are 3D text, 3D rotation, 3D shadow, reflection, perspective, and all that. Shadow, stroke, if you want to add a stroke to your text, like that, they are there. So the functions, Pixellab is just so interesting. So I'll end here, and hope this video will help you to become familiar with this application that we are going to use. Thank you so much for your time. See you in the next video.